Mass import of projects, self-onboarding. When incorporating pre-existing processes or campaigns into COR, import projects in bulk to save time. Import your projects. Although it is not mandatory to use these kinds of bulk actions, at COR, we believe that their incorporation will make a difference in your business. Let's begin. Within the Projects module, go to the File Upload icon and select Import Projects. Here you will be able to download the template file for a bulk upload, or you can upload your own file. If you choose the first option, you will see that the Google spreadsheet has 12 columns, of which the client name, column A, and the project name, column B, must be filled in. Each of the rows will have the information of the project to be created, and each of the fields represent different data for the projects that will be uploaded. It is important that the client to which the project will be assigned is named exactly as it appears in COR, if already loaded, to avoid duplicates. Column C, Estimate, corresponds to a one-time project income according to the account's base currency. If the project has to be associated with a fee, you must leave the field empty, and after creation, assign the corresponding fee. The same applies if the income is in a different currency than the base currency. Leave the field empty and fill it in afterwards. Project Start or Start Date. The correct format is year, month, date. Remember that if you do not enter a value, today will automatically be assigned as the start date. Project End or End Date. The format is year, month, date. If you do not enter a value, by default, the project will have no deadline assigned. Estimated time. Here you should enter the estimated number of hours it will take to complete the project. Brief. Add a description for the project. Work order, or ID, refers to a client and project's internal value, such as the invoice number. This value is very useful for a potential bulk task import to the project. Remember that this work order cannot be repeated in any other project within your account. Frequency or project frequency. You must indicate the required frequency with the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, or 12, one shot, monthly, every 2, 3, 4, or 6 months, or annual. If the field is left empty, by default, the projects will be completed with the frequency 1, one shot. Brand. If the brand does not exist in the account and is not yet associated with the client, a new brand will be created. But if the brand already exists and is associated, it is essential that you write it exactly as it appears in COR to avoid duplicates. Label. If you need to add multiple labels, you must separate each one with a comma. Only pre-existing labels in the account will be considered. Product. Only pre-existing products within the client will be considered, and it is essential that you assign the brand to which it belongs. Remember that if you already have the general settings for fee, completion date, estimated time, and mandatory brands and products, they will not be required when uploading the spreadsheet. However, when editing the created projects later on, these fields will be mandatory. When the file is ready, confirm that there is only one sheet. There cannot be any hidden sheets. And make sure that the file is unformatted. To do this, select all, go to Format, and select the option Clear Formatting and Plain Text. Go back to COR, click on the Select Files button, and open the full spreadsheet. In Project View, you will see that the format is correct, and all fields are valid. When you click OK, you will see the confirmation for the successful upload and the number of projects created. You can now view the new projects generated in your account. In case the selected file is incomplete, missing mandatory data, or has duplicate information, COR's preview will highlight it in red, and you will have to correct the data. If you notice that the information has not been uploaded, check the file format and header and verify that there are no additional sheets. Remember that the file must be .xlsx, and the maximum number of projects per file that can be uploaded is 250.